Hi, I'm a doctor at District Health Office, but today I came as a customer at New York Skin Solution. So if you can see here, this is a before picture. When I came here, my skin is very dull and dry and there's a lot of breakouts. So after having the collagen treatment a few times, there's a very visible change that I can see. My skin is more supple, moist, no more redness, and even I can see that my skin become fairer now. I have dry skin, could be due to prolonged mask wearing at work, and I have breakouts, I have eye bag conditions. That was the condition before I came here to New York Skin Solution. Initially, I was introduced by my friend. She told me that the facial here is very good, so I got tempted and I came here and tried. I like the consultant, the ambience, and how they explain to me. That's the first thing. They explain very in detail so that I understand, and when they offered me the treatment, they explain what and how actually the treatment does to my skin. They even tell me how many sessions that I have to go through. So it's not like you do one session, you can see different. No, they tell me the real expectation. For me, it's very good. The treatment that I got here is a collagen treatment. During the treatment, they use some machine. It's for my cheeks area and also my eye area. After a few sessions of the treatments, I can see some visible results. I think consistent treatment is important in anything that we do. For example, just giving an example, when giving treatment to patient, we always explain to them that they have to use medication on time, have to do continuously and consistently to see the results. So same goes to the skincare. Even you go and buy a very expensive product, but you do not use it consistently and continuously, you won't see the full effect of it. So here in New York Skin Solution, they really tell me that I have to do it consistently, use it continuously. Even all the skincare products that they gave me. Even I'm in New York Skin Solution for a few months, I can see visible result by doing this consistently.